In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run your C or C++ code right within your Visual Studio Code. All you have to do is click this run button and you will get the output right within your code editor. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So the first step is go to your web browser and search for MintGW. Here, if you click on the first link, you'll be taken to this website, project/MintGW. But that's not what we are looking for. So scroll down till you see this second link, click on it. And now you should see something like MintGW-W64. This is the correct link. Now here we are not going to directly download the file. We will go to the file section, scroll down, and we are going to choose this one. Click on it and you'll be taken to this page where it says the download will begin shortly. So we have to wait for 5 seconds. After that, the download will begin. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm not going to download again. So I'm just going to cancel it. After the download is done, you can go ahead and open the file location and then right click on the file, click on extract all. Now here we will choose the location where we want to extract. So I'm going to choose C drive. Make sure that you also select C drive. It looks like this and click on extract. Now the extraction will begin. I'm just going to close all the windows till then. After the file is done extracting, you will be taken straight to the folder where you extracted it and you can see a MintGW64 folder was created. So open it up, go to the bin folder and now click on this bar right here. Press Ctrl+C to copy the link. Now go to the start button and search for environ. Click on the edit system environment variables, click on environment variables, double click on path. And here you can see I have already added the entry for MintGW. So I'm just going to click on new and paste in the new MintGW entry. But I'm just going to delete one of the entries because I don't want the duplicate entries and click on OK, OK, and close this one as well. Then I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code, go to the extensions tab, search for Code Runner. And I'll choose the first one, which is by Yunhan. So yeah, this is the one. Click on install and it should be installed in your Visual Studio Code. Now let's close the Visual Studio Code, open it up again. This step is very important. Don't forget it. Now you can see our file is right here and we get this awesome looking run button at the top. And if I click it, you can see we get hello world as the output. And if I try to change the message to something like subscribe to my channel, run the code, you can see now C++ is telling you in the output, subscribe to my channel. So you can't ignore that message. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.